Bill Gates. Shiba Inu big price update $95,000 on this date. What are the prospects of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency? What are the latest news about this cryptocurrency? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000011 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% in the last 24 hours. While SHIB investors are waiting for a new peak, asset volatility and trading volume have decreased over the past few days. This shows that the consolidation phase occurred before the new movement. Usually, a price stuck in a narrow range is seen as a sign of a subsequent serious breakthrough. During this period, a narrow trading range was formed for the SHIB price between the support levels of $0.000050 and the resistance of $0.00055. The fact that the pair managed to break out of the descending triangle indicates that the downtrend has stopped, at least for the moment. If the bulls are fully engaged, they can push the SHIB coin to an uptrend again. The Shiba Inu community is currently in the midst of an online voting that will determine if the project will accept the invitation of the World Economic Forum, WEF, to be its partner in working for a global metaverse policy. At the time of this writing, more than 18,000 votes have already been casted for the poll that is being run by SHIB developer Shytoshi Kusama via Twitter, with over 60% being in favor of accepting the offer for a partnership with WEF. Kusama had earlier clarified that the metaverse-related undertaking will also involve Meta, Decentraland and Sandbox. Sadly, even with this positive development and an apparent show of trust for Shiba Inu, its SHIB token continues to struggle in climbing to higher spot trading prices. According to latest tracking from crypto data aggregator CoinGecko, at press time, Shiba Inu is changing hands at $0.00000903 and has already lost almost 2% of its minimal value over the last 7 days. The ongoing bear market had already taken its toll on the meme crypto, which was forced to relinquish its place as the 14th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Although the asset managed to increase its overall valuation by 8% during the last 24 hours, it wasn't enough to recapture its previous spot in the list as it settled as 15th courtesy of its $5.32 billion overall valuation. Despite this dismal performance, top Ethereum whales recently displayed their unwavering trust for the crypto, which accounted for 3.14% of their total holdings with an estimated value of around $70 million. Moreover, there is also a significant increase in terms of active addresses for the asset, from over 80,000 in late October to around 130,000 right now. The Shiba Inu community remains in full anticipation of the Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution that will be built on top of the SHIB protocol, which will allow it to function more like an individual network. It has a built-in mechanism that will enable coin holders to burn their tokens in hopes of reducing its excessively abundant supply. For now, though, the community will have to settle for Shiba Eternity, a blockchain-based card game that was launched in September of this year. This TCG, much like the Shibarium, also plays a vital role in burning of SHIB tokens while increasing its demand, which, in turn, will most likely trigger an upward movement in its price. If you were a fervent follower of the market in 2021, then you would absolutely agree that the incredible rise of Shiba Inu, SHIB, was one of the most unforgettable highlights. The meme coin, which hardly got any attention before then, made an impressive sprint that almost ran into a 5 million % value increase. However, the antics shown by the same token in 2022 were barely any close to the year discussed before. In fact, it was the complete opposite. Regardless of SHIB's condition, the holders have remained true to it. According to Into the Block, 54% of the holders in the last year still owned cryptocurrency. This fraction was surprisingly spectacular, with only a few top cryptos like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, beating it. Additionally, only 18% of the total holders were still in profit. One aspect that Shiba Inu has thrived in is its use case for payments. For a while, several businesses have adopted the meme coin as a means of settlement and remittance. Just in October, Google Cloud opened its doors to the meme for the same reason. In turn, you would expect that there should be an increase in Shiba Inu users. In other quarters, ETH whales have ensured that SHIB remained at the top of their holdings. Even though these whales had sold off some holdings, they still held a massive amount. At press time, WhaleStats reported that SHIB holdings by these investors were up to $68 million. This activity implied that Ethereum whales seem to be bullish on the cryptocurrency in the long term. Besides this interest, Shiba Inu expanded its wings by creating lands in the metaverse. At the time of this writing, SHIB the metaverse had created more than 3 separate concepts for the project. This same involvement in virtual reality earned it an invite to the World Economic Forum, WEF. Despite a meager 0.97 correlation with BTC, SHIB employed its token burn as a strategy to keep the ecosystem alive. This plan of action enabled holders of the token to exclude some tokens from circulation while earning passive income. At press time, SHIBurn showed that the burn rate had increased by 4,497% in the last 24 hours. This implied that the SHIB community held the burn activity in high regard. Although the burn rate was a bid to reduce supply and increase its value, the latter had rarely happened as SHIB exchanged hands at $0.000009 according to Santiment. This value represented a 1.36% decrease in the last 24 hours. However, the volume surged 83.96% to $236.51 million. This increase implied that many transactions had passed through the Shiba Inu network within the said period regardless of the profit or loss incurred. On the downside, SHIB's network growth had fallen to 1999 at the time of writing. As of the 13th of November, the network growth was as high as 9,409. This current state inferred that there were fewer new addresses joining the Shiba Inu ship. With all of this happening, SHIB might not remain deeply affected by the bear market. However, ruling the token out of active participation in the next bull season might be a costly mistake, considering the increased involvement with the ecosystem. Nevertheless, there was no guarantee of a 2021 repetition. Bitpoint, a licensed cryptocurrency exchange based in Tokyo, Japan, announced on the 25th of November the listing of the Japanese guard dog-themed meme currency Shiba Inu, SHIB, on its platform by this month. The Japanese cryptocurrency exchange is preparing a welcome gift of 1 million SHIB tokens for newly registered users to celebrate and publicize this landmark. According to the official announcement, the 1 million SHIB giveaway is just one out of 4 campaigns that will celebrate the listing. Besides the aforementioned 1 million welcome gift, there's a lottery draw for crypto enthusiasts who buy at least 10,000 yen worth of SHIB tokens. For every 10,000 yen purchase, the customers get a ticket to enter the prize draw to win up to 100 million SHIB. Despite the canine coin, SHIB having a rich community, the powerful woof of the community has not been heard in the time past as SHIB was nowhere to be found on the Japanese crypto platforms, mainly due to strict regulations in the harsh crypto market conditions for the better part of 2022. However, things took a new turn when fellow Japanese crypto exchange Bitbank listed rival canine coin Dogecoin, Doge, in August, which didn't fully satisfy crypto enthusiasts in Japan and sparked an uproar among the SHIB army on Twitter. The SHIB army eventually took to Twitter to pen a petition for several popular Japanese crypto exchanges to list SHIB finally. And at last, the powerful woof of the SHIB community has been heard, as Bitpoint is ready to launch SHIB trading pairs on November 30, 2022, becoming Japan's first exchange to pay homage to Shiba Inu. Things are only getting exciting for Shiba Inu, as the main developer Shitoshi Kusama and the SHIB developer team are setting up Shibarium, the Layer 2 upgrade. To top that, Mr. Kusama was invited to join the World Economic Forum, WEF, which provides an opportunity for SHIB to shape the future of the internet. Some experts are a little worried about this rash move by Shiba Inu and its community, as the accelerated SHIB burn rate doesn't reflect its market price yet. Following the recent news, SHIB's burn rate is back on track, with a 249% increase in the last 24 hours. However, 21 million SHIB tokens were reduced to ashes to raise the coin's market value. However, Shiba Inu's move is understandable to the extent that its bodacious campaign will open doors for it, as the popularity of meme coins usually opens doors to quicker crypto adoption in retail. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.